Because I see no reason why. If I no mama like it, I do adiowa. I see no reason why. If I no my gualo, so if you don't like me, I beg you all in the name of Jesus Christ, don't ever talk about my program. And don't ever carry my video. Why my video, man? Those who want to carry my video, let be those who like me. Those who not love me, man. Imagine why I watch him. You can watch me because I'm not this thing where I watch him. No, you are free to watch me. You are free to subscribe on my YouTube. You are free to spend 7 hours with me or 8 hours. But don't carry my video if you know you hate me.
If you don't talk and now say, if you know, say you don't like him, and you don't like her, you don't like the video where she did do, me you not watch again. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video of Mommy Iyore so really makes sense, like seriously, because she don't talk am now say if you know say you not like her, no carry a video again, no even analyze a video where you not like her. How you go dey analyze person where you not like? Person where you not like, you go dey analyze her. It get as e be. He say if you know say you not like her, may you not watch her, may you not analyze her. Now so, because you can't do video finish now, we can go dey swear for the poor woman for Facebook. Una go dey insult her, they do am so many different things. So you say if you know say you not like her, you not like anything about her, may you not even analyze her video. You must not analyze. If you not get topic, go look for topic. Later when I carry person video, go dey find person trouble. Okay, if Mommy Iyore can come out for Kate now, they'll say na bad person. The way Kate is swear for her for video when he do. And she do her video. If you don't like the video, you must still analyze them. Must you? But you insult this woman, insult her, not be small. Now she don't talk and now say, if you know say you not like her, I beg you, use God to beg you. May you not analyze her, may you not watch her video. Not watch. Carry eye pass them. Do your own. Go analyze your own. When I know the carry on and wish to intimidate people for social media. My darling people, I'm gonna go listen to the video now. I go put the video now more and listen. Whether waiting Mommy Iyore talk, it makes sense. More as leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Because I see no reason why. If I no mama like it, I do adiowa. I see no reason why. If I no my gualo, so if you don't like me, I beg you all in the name of Jesus Christ, don't ever talk about my program. And don't ever carry my video. Why my video, man? Those who want to carry my video, let be those who like me. Those who not love me, man. Imagine why I watch him. You can watch me because I'm not this thing where I watch him. No, you are free to watch me. You are free to subscribe on my YouTube. You are free to spend 7 hours with me or 8 hours. But don't carry my video if you know you hate me. If you know you are jealous, you dey jealous me. Don't carry my video to your YouTube or to your pages on Facebook. Don't ever talk put for my matter. Ina me anybody no ranuta where Iyore ye wa hate you and you na ye do me video me. The only thing ina here na zejo we you got we. If I senior you, I will not mind you. But if I see and say you senior me small, I go reply you with insult. When it's an insult, ya reply we. Ina bege gu die me kere. Because ije me mamu wo moria, ira me mamu wo moria. There wasn't a time where ije me ya me wa gba ya gwite. Wa enwu eti me si a on ha me go. E gwa kan me give gwa kan mu we. Anytime ya bege ne gu ranu ta ne we, I hate Iyore. Make a be gwa kan mu wa. Ika gwa kan mu wa. I'm not after you people. I always bring my business. I always mind my business. Okay? Again, my man business, that was all the day. Where I am now, I have a lot of things I'm doing. Yet to do more than 4 years in a live video. Igwe bame ye winere amume. Mekbe rainine. So, umana laki me, egwa kame me o. Egwa kameme. Ememe belongs to those not loving me. Or we want my good baby. Everybody day on ile. We are telling me no like. E jump it banyilani wa de. Do I jump it? Do I go me? Never you do that. I take God beguna. Kwa gume himiya. Especially abe una wa ina enegu dieme. Una dunweta negu hate me. Stay away from my matter. Ege Iyore go de gbe ladin awunuwe. Do ati Iyore gega Iyore owe or Iyore owijue or Iyore Parisi. I don't need it from you people. You hate what you talk. Don't hate. Et ugu hate me kowe. Udu ateme me ladin. Udu ajeni me ya go be page we. But we go hate me. Why ugu jeni me ya go? Ima guy o ma no die me. Ima be na ya go egun aye. Ima ni die me. Ima be na ya gun aye. Wala wo ya amako awakoko me say amako ko me ni ya insoto mo no se me. You just aloba ya inwi wa o. Wagayon wa malaki me stop carrying my video on your page. Simple. My video belongs to those who love me. I wish you all the best. Make una take out the chop. Cause okpa mayaki wa ne runda go gugwe hate me. Udo agwa kan video me mi no sunu we program me we do agwa kan uga nwa me uga mi ogogo. Uga mi una nwa me uga mi ogogo. Etio salobua. Etun wo bia wo ko no giro tag mo na ya neru gwe. O bia no ko no talent ya na ebuye ma love me. O una amo ebe ko ma love me. Una gwa kan video me be page we. O una mo video me ari page we. Uga nwa me wa mi oku evere gbe. Egwe no ya mi oku evere be we. Ima sa meju no neru na egbe ya neru na. Etira me bi je me no re imi. Etun wo imi ya no giro tag mo na ya. E ya neru na nu. Ami okwevere gbe o. Anybody no like me no mo video me. No giju no time we hate me. No gun aka me the page oge. Wa ami okwevere ogwe. Wa ami okwevere avan. Wa ami okwevere wa Iyore. We ni Jesu Christi no do mi maya fan. Era me no mozo si okwevere jo wa. Ije me next no my ko si okwevere jo wa. Uge mi ogogo be dagun we. Emi no je we se era me bi je me ga mi we. Emi no ri ogogo no era me bi je me ga mi we. Iyaga jemi no ebi no ije wesi yaga ya ezese na do yaga ya ezese na webu aga ya ezese data nene no ogwe no hate me no ogwe ni egwe gbe mo video me e do neru nagi yi me ke da ye video me atoma no free a video gese ya moka o atoma na gi video ga ya hu go se Facebook and YouTube ya moka. But when you use your mouth to say you hate me, don't talk about my video in your page. Don't ever talk about my name. So who you are already me there. Okay? Imagine my video belongs to those who love me. Who love me, you are free to carry my video. Who like me, you are free to carry my video. I permit you to carry it. But if you hate me, don't ever dare it. Hello. Osaitinwe. A real live video.
Okay.
What a carry? So akotane, I will do giveaway. Okay? No buwa. Why are you fake number? Why are you no wa low? Why what you akotane? Imi awa mungu na negbeme. Ya wenu wa won because a life na. But gabe wenu wa. Why you no ya me yeke? Why you no zame? Any moko no wa ne wa giwe ni alele me wa do danjo. Ikebe webe na ya be nerun wejo. Because wa e wusetu lelulele me we ko pa. Ogwa meje. Imakporu no sugbe da doge. Ya agbeni nu wa ye ma. Oro paro no we no ma. Anything e man mi go here we no ma. For me, I don't believe on those things. Oh yeah, me son wo we idori e hota. Everybody don't know me. Even when I come out for my program, the beginning, mommy 1 hour. Or see a dene nana in a doarie in this surgery. Oh, I not came we go here. Oh, the second or yari. But some people here mamukbo we go here. But here gwale mi ko be gakota. Uga mukbo we go here. Oh, second ayari mi ko no ro we mi o e. Eri ya we dag mo me. Why me program in you know the mommy one era way, but okay, de bana out of all of them. I mean, no, where mommy jore, or saloba when he bless you. But I said another one of my jealous, when I'm not by vie. So, now I will do it again. Yagman no buwaya, why with a normal soul, who will it bad they won't. There were no so bonoro. I wish you all the best. Osaloba no kuwa ya kukugbe. Osaloba no juwa ya understand it buwa. Osaloba no riogo nuwa. Osaloba ne marriage lari. Osaloba no mo lari. Eni Jesu Christi no do mi mafa. He said. You go see some people now. If they want to talk, you go say nobody should carry my video. Me, I'm not like that. You are right to carry my video if you love me. If you they talk good about me. But if you hate me, you carry my video or you talk about me, Nerun Johnny. And maybe not I say, you want Nerun Jo. I want to tell me when you get here, be Nerun Jan, you may Nerun Jan wajo. I not be mumu. Osaloba be ya punish you, which is true. Who hate you, Joro, Malaki Jori. Why go Guaka mi Jori, the live video way? Why good tell me Jori? Ijora have a Gugwa bana, why Ijore Gugwa? Oh man, no Jugwa popular wagwalo. You got why